Imagine a world where artificial intelligence governs. Does it sound like a far-off fantasy, or perhaps a dystopian nightmare? Or could it be the logical next step in our rapidly digitizing world? In a world where technology continues to evolve at lightning speed, governments around the globe are no strangers to the opportunities and challenges presented by artificial intelligence. From combating climate change to improving public health, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach these complex issues. Take the example of Estonia. This small Baltic nation is a world leader in digital governance, with over 90% of public services available online 24 hours a day. Estonia has harnessed AI to streamline its public services, reducing bureaucracy and improving efficiency. Across the globe in the United States, AI is being utilized in the fight against climate change. The Department of Energy's Argonne National Laboratory uses AI to predict the impact of extreme weather events, helping policymakers and first responders prepare for the worst. But it's not just about reacting to crises. AI is also helping to shape policy. In Canada, the government has turned to AI to analyze data and predict future trends in everything from immigration to unemployment. This proactive approach allows policymakers to stay one step ahead, shaping policy based on data-driven predictions. While these examples illustrate the potential of AI in government, they also underscore the challenges. Questions of data privacy, cybersecurity, and ethical AI use are ever present. As governments continue to incorporate AI, they must also address these critical issues. To summarize, AI's role in government is multifaceted. It can streamline public services, as we've seen in Estonia. It can help combat global challenges like climate change, as in the United States. And it can shape policy, as in Canada. But alongside these opportunities, governments must also navigate the challenges of data privacy, cybersecurity, and ethical AI use. In the end, it's clear that AI has the potential to revolutionize government. But as with any tool, its success will depend on how it's used. Will AI replace government? Not likely, but it will undoubtedly transform it, for better or for worse. The future of AI in government is a fascinating topic, one that is sure to continue evolving in the years to come. So as we stride into this brave new world, one thing is clear. The intersection of AI and government is a space to watch.